Welcome back to the channel. We're going to do an unboxing of the Prinsu rack for the FJ Cruiser. It's right here, that over there, and let's see what we got. Looks to be boxed up pretty nice. Plenty of packing material in here. Oh yeah, looking good. Material there, out of the way. This goes under the front wind flare to reduce noise. Up there for now. There's both sides. Right, so the wind deflector, hopefully they sent the right one. It's supposed to be the one for the light bar. Looks like they did. Sweet. So here's the wind deflector. Cut out for the light bar. Nice big bag of hardware. A lot of hardware. So there's the bars. 9 of those, if I'm not mistaken. I guess we can kind of lay them out to where they're going to be set. Move this over. Build it right in here. Let's see, so this will be up here, just like that. If I'm not mistaken, this one goes here. My only complaint with Prinsu, my only complaint with them is I was going to order more parts, but their shipping, I was going to order a couple more of the crossbars, and it was $70 for 2 crossbars, and it was $60 for shipping. So I was on top of the shipping for this. So I ended up not buying them. And everything looks to be really good. The packaging was great. You did a good job packaging it. No damage. This side, and this will be this side. Something that I do not have is installation instructions. None. No instructions. No instructions whatsoever. I'll be back. Gotta go watch a video. Alright, I watched a quick video on how to install. It looks pretty straightforward. I guess I will start pulling out the hardware. It's the wind deflector, so the WD, so wind deflector hardware. That's under this. Tie downs. And 2 more brackets. Figure that out. First off, wind deflector. So this is a low strength Loctite, so it's removable. If you need to remove them later, you can. It just kind of holds it in place a little bit. Make sure you got it facing the right way so it's not backwards when you install it on the truck. Tee nuts the back side. Loose. Make sure everything's loose because you're going to have to slide this bar onto this. So it looks like they give you a little bit of extra hardware, a couple pieces anyway. Okay. Now, take this bar, start one side, easier with 2 people. Actually pretty easy. I'll just leave everything nice and loose. It's really easy. sure we'd have to remember to check this every once in a while to make sure everything is nice and tight. Last thing you want to do is be driving down the trail and your rack start falling apart on you. All right, so we got everything loosely connected. All the hardware's loose right now, and it is time to tighten everything up. So it's a T30 they use to tighten all this stuff up. So I'm still not going to tighten everything up all the way. I'll get it all snug, and then I'll go around and tighten it all up. I think this is going to be much nicer than the stock riff rack. If you're going to use an impact, just make sure you're careful and don't tighten it down too much. Ooh, crank, good. More than enough. That's pretty light. Not that bad at all. All right. It's the FJ with no rack. Get it all cleaned up. Pretty dirty up there. So we're getting ready to put the roof rack on. I got the silicone on. Putting the spacers in. So, probably used more silicone than I needed, but I'd rather have too much silicone than not enough. So last night I went ahead and polished put some wax on the roof. Figured the rack was off, might as well. Because we're going up and over the truck.
Are you good?
You'll see the...
I don't know how much I can leave from down.
See where it goes? Back, down a little, lift it up, straight. Yeah, lock on to the bolt. It's probably got to get adjusted a little bit, squared up, but it's, yep. Say hi.
Hello.
They're all just set in place, just started. So there's little quarter 20s over there.
Quarter 20 big. The ones with the washers on them?
Yeah. The nylon nuts.
Nylon nut.
Huh? Looks like it's square to the FJ, so time to crank it down. Alright, so next, the brackets for the Overland Pros 270. This bracket is a little too close to the truck. I don't like it that close to the truck. I'm gonna have to raise it up with some washers. It's basically gonna be touching the truck. Gotta go up higher. Actually, that's fucking really good. I want to bring it back further.
I don't know, where did you really
What?
want it?
What do you?
What? Don't be concerned with what I'm doing. I'm checking my orders that went out.
So we got the traction boards mounted to the top, 100-watt solar panel, the privacy room on this side, and the 270 awning on the other side.